Hello, my name's Carolyn Doty and I'm the Sales Administration Manager here at My Real Estate, but today I'm speaking to you as the City Council member and the Mayor Pro Tem for the City of Gulf Shores. I've been asked to talk to you about a new ordinance that we adopted recently that is called the Single Family and Duplex Tourist Rental Overlay District. And I know you're probably asking yourself, what in the world is that? Why do we need that? And most importantly, how will it affect you? Give you a little bit of history. This administration for the City of Gulf Shores, as the administrations, two previous administrations, take great pride in the fact that we have single-family and duplex-zoned property along the Gulf of Mexico, and we have made a commitment to protect that single-family and duplex-zoned areas. As you can imagine, back in 2004, we received some pressure from property owners who wanted to have their property rezoned to multifamily because of the increase of the value of the property. We took a firm stand then, and we maintain it today, that no, we're not going to expand the multifamily zoned areas any further west on West Beach than they currently are, where they end there at West 11th Street. So we have, during that discussion with some of the property owners there, they made comments about the fact that here we are trying to claim that we have single family duplex zoned areas, but actually they're commercial because we do allow commercial activity within that area. During that same time, we also had pressure from some of the developers on the north side of the West Beach, around the pass area, about having access through the single-family duplex zone lots on the Gulf, and the residents there were protesting, as they should, that this was not an activity that was allowed in their area, and we agreed that no, the zoning for single-family and duplex zone property would not allow that type of activity. And once again, we were kind of told, well, it's really not single family duplex, it's commercial. And once again, we realized the importance of going ahead and recognizing an activity that had gone on in that area forever, probably since before the city even became a city, and that was the short-term rental of single family homes or duplexes in our West Beach area. We feel this is an important activity. It makes us unique and special. It also is the reason a lot of the property owners bought their property out there. It is very important to them from a financial point of view, and is certainly a vital part of the economic engine of the City of Gulf Shores, and we want to be able to continue to allow that activity in that particular area, in our beach area, and yet not have those type of activities go on in other parts of our city. So we started looking at how would we best be able to accomplish that. And doing an overlay district seemed to be the best way to do that. When you do a zoning overlay district, what you're doing is you're picking a certain area of your city that you say, well, in addition to what the current zoning ordinance allows there, we will either allow or disallow certain other activities. In this particular area, we said that while maintaining the single family and the duplex zoning areas there that does not allow commercial activities, we would have an overlay district that did allow you to do a short-term rental of the single family homes and the duplexes, which is really a commercial type activity. Short-term rental means anything less than 180 days. So we passed the overlay district. It applies to all the single family and the duplex properties that lie west of Highway 59, south of 2nd Avenue, and actually on the south side of the lagoon as you get west of 7th Street. It goes all the way out to Laguna Key. And you say, well, how does this affect me? It really doesn't change what you've done in the past. If you want to rent your property for less than 180 days, which we classify short term, you will continue to get a business license. The only thing different there now, we will give you a rental permit decal that you will display on your home or on your duplex. You will also continue to collect and remit lodging tax, as you always have, or have your management company do that. You will certainly need to continue to make sure all the parking occurs on your property, not in the street, and that you follow the current regulations for garbage. So we want to be able to allow you to do the activity that you've always done out there under the same guidelines, but at the same time now it will allow us to not have those type of activities going on in other parts of the city that is zoned single family duplex, where those residents don't particularly want short-term rentals going on. There was also a situation with our family definition. The family definition says that no more than 4 non-related individuals can occupy a property at any given time. Well, we know in the beach areas sometimes there are more than 4 non-related people when you have 2 or 3 different friends and their families get together. So we wanted to be able to allow that to continue to happen once again in the beach area, but nowhere else in town. So this is another advantage to having the overlay district. So currently now you'll be able to continue to do your short-term rentals in that area, and you'll continue to do just like you always have, but those activities are not now allowed anywhere else in town, except for those people who have done that in the past, who have had their business license, who have been collecting their lodging tax and remitting it properly. They will be able to continue to do it, but no one else will be able to do it unless we decide to extend that overlay district. We have been approached by some of the property owners on the north side of the lagoon who have asked us to look at their area because they feel like it being waterfront, that it is conducive to that. We are investigating that, but have not made a decision at this time. It will depend on what the majority of the property owners in that area or any other area would want us to be able to do. Hopefully this explains the ordinance a little better to you, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give me a call here at My Real Estate. My number is area code 251-968-2919. Thank you so much.